Nebraska has joined the ranks of Colorado and Washington by legalizing recreational marijuana.
And Colorado, it's been 2 years since that happened, and it was promised, as you remember, taxes from marijuana would be spent on education and drug prevention efforts.
And a stipulation in the Taxpayers' Bill of Rights could mean the state has to give all of that money back. KRDO News Channel 13's Emily Allen is looking into this and joins us live in our Newsplex.
James and Heather, right now lawmakers are considering a bill to ask voters to let them keep taxes from retail marijuana. Now, if this doesn't pass, the state could have to cut taxes on pot for a year or refund taxpayers. Colorado's budding industry is raking in the green. Marijuana brought in $44 million in tax revenue in 2014. But the fate of that money is hazy.
The refunds of the marijuana tax have actually nothing to do with how much marijuana was sold.
Tim Hoover with Colorado Fiscal Institute studies the Taxpayers' Bill of Rights, or TABOR. When the state asks for voters to pass a new tax, it must do two things: estimate how much money the tax would generate in 1 year and how much the state would make without the new tax. The state was wrong on the second estimate. The economy did better.
Even though they were off just a bit, they still have to refund all of the money from the new tax that was passed, in this case the marijuana tax, for the first year. That's just the way TABOR works.
The state could refund every taxpayer, or
you'd be looking at possibly waiving the sales tax on it for a year, maybe.
Happy hour at this Pueblo West pot shop is bustling. When you ask Maricel Therapeutics manager Tracy Elias about pot and taxes, the answer is complicated.
If we're not charging taxes, then it doesn't allow us to give back to the community, which is what the plan was in the first place.
But not charging sales taxes would boost business.
In some way, shape, or form, it's going to go back into the community.
The question now, who gets to keep the green? This bill to ask voters to keep the money is sponsored by a state Senate Democrat, and right now it is getting bipartisan support. In the Newsplex, Emily Allen, KRDO News Channel 13.
Thanks.